Hey guys, this is Michael with H&M Reviews, and today we are going to review and unbox the all-new M12 Fuel Milwaukee. The model number is 2560-21. Check it out. This is a monster of a ratchet. Very cool. Up to 55 foot-pounds of maximum torque. Let's open this up. This is the first time ever this is being opened up. See what's in it. Oh wow, cool. I can get her out. Great. Actually, it comes with a nice contractor bag. Actually, everything's in that bag. Let's put the box away. Alright. Here is the beautiful Milwaukee Fuel M12 contractor bag. Let's open her up. Nice big zipper, as you can see. Okay, wow. Okay, this is actually the kit. Okay. This has the Red Lithium 2.0 battery. Wow, this is in there. It's the Red Lithium 2.0 battery. Genuine Milwaukee. Alright. Here is a genuine Milwaukee charger. Beautiful charger. M12. Very cool. So obviously, when you're charging the unit, it's going to go in which way? This way. There we go. It's going to go in this way, and then you plug this into the wall, and that's how it's charging. Okay. You have the Milwaukee manual. You must read this in order to make sure you're working it correctly. Alright. Manual and instructions by Milwaukee. Okay. And this is actually the extended reach. It will reach up to 15.1 inches in those tight, hard to reach places. That's why we got it. Wow, look at the length of that thing. Look at the head. That is amazing. Actually, let me, yeah, here's the unit. Look how big it is. You can't even see it in the, I think they said it was 3.1 pounds, I believe, without the battery. Here's the trigger. Okay. Fuel brushless motor. Power state brushless motor with a 3/8-inch square anvil up there. Nice. This is heavy duty. This is very nice. Wow. Milwaukee Fuel. And I don't need to demonstrate how to turn a nut, so wow, this is very, very heavy duty. Very nice. The model number is 2560-21 once again. But look at the size of that. Look at the neck on that thing. So just imagine you have a nut on the bottom of your car somewhere. This will get all the way in there and get it. Wow, that is a long one. Like I mentioned, you have the Red Lithium CP 2.0 M12 battery pack. You have the M12 battery charger, like I showed you before, with the battery in it. The length of this thing is 15.1 inches extended. The weight is 3.1 pounds. This is the Milwaukee Extended Reach Ratchet Kit. This whole kit online was $349, I believe. This was for the ratchet, the 2.0 Red Lithium battery, and the battery charger. I believe this alone, just a ratchet, is in the 200s. I think the high 200s. Or no, I think it's the mid 200s, if I'm not mistaken. Like, this is the contractor version, the Fuel, Milwaukee Fuel. Fuel is always the better one. But this goes for the RPM, it's 0 to 200 RPM. 3/8 square anvil, like I said before. And this goes up to 55 maximum torque of 55 foot-pounds. That's 55 foot-pounds of maximum torque. Actually, let's see if the battery, I don't know if it's charged at all, but let's put this guy in here. Let's just see. Okay, there's a light come on. The light just came on somewhere. There it is. See the light? Light back here. Yeah. Actually, hang on a second. There's got to be a... Wow. It's pretty powerful, actually. And it's as powerful as you push the trigger. And it stops on a dime. The minute your hand comes off the trigger, it stops. Wow. And you got the reverse on the back of it. Obviously, you turn it, you know. Trigger is nice and heavy duty. This fits very nicely in your hand. So this is minimum, normal, maximum. And there it is. Look at that thing. It's pretty neat. There it is, the Milwaukee Fuel Extended Reach Ratchet. Again, the Milwaukee 3/4 Extended Reach Ratchet. With the long neck on that thing. Look at there. Wow, that's incredible. This is a game changer right here. I was reading about it that this is the longest neck that's available on the market at the moment. Of course, on a ratchet anyway. Wow. Yep, this is the M12 Red Lithium 2.0 battery. Obviously, it has a little safety down here. You can turn it off. And then you can't push the button. Or you... And then turn it off. And it's locked. Turn it back on. And obviously, it's back on. Wow. This guy is a game changer, huh? Let's see if I can get it out there more. There we go. Beautiful. Alright, again, it comes in this beautiful contractor bag right here. Very cool. I'm going to put everything back in here the right way. Actually, I'm going to charge the battery up, obviously. Nice. Okay. Huh. Okay, just checking around a little bit. And it's got the battery indicator right on the side there. I don't know if you can see it or not. It's got 4 red dots. It has 2 dots, so the battery's half charged, which is pretty neat. It's got the serial number on the side here. So 200 minute RPM, 0 to 200 RPM. Extended reach, like I said before. What else we got here? Alright. Huh. That's pretty neat. Alrighty. There's the wrench. Gonna put this little guy in here. This is gonna get put away right now. Yeah, this thing is a beast. This is a beast, this thing. This is beautiful, actually. Very nice unit. When I seen it online, I said, wait a sec, that's a long neck. Is that accurate? And then sure enough, when I saw it, I said, oh my, that's a big neck. So, and when I'm fixing cars, I have a lot of areas where I just need the extra reach, you know? And this is going to come in handy, obviously. Let me just put this away. Okay. Obviously, I'm not going to put the charger and the battery away because I need to charge it. But this is how your ratchet's going to look in there. Actually, let me just set up everything just to show you how it's going to look. Okay. Alright, let's see what we got here. Alright, let's see. Actually, I think I went this way. Yeah, I did. Okay. That's pretty neat. Yeah, Milwaukee is one of the better brands, obviously. It's one of the best brands, actually. As we all know, Milwaukee is one of the best brands out there. In my opinion, anyway. Okay, put this guy here. And that's exactly how, oops, the battery, this one's gonna, battery's kind of hard to, see if I could, and there we go. This is well worth the money. Alright. Let's give it a little zip up. And there you have it, guys. This is the Milwaukee Fuel M12 3/4 extended reach ratchet kit. Wow, this is incredible. This is a must-have, guys. Model number again is 2560-21. 55 foot-pounds of maximum torque. Ask your wife for one. This is Michael with H&M Reviews. Let's stop the fighting, guys, alright? Shake your neighbor's hand. Have a great day. Subscribe to our channel. It's always free, no charge. Click the bell icon and then click all so you'll never miss an upcoming video. Alright, guys? Have a great day.